Kayla wants to put a variety of muffins in a display case. Case is large enough to hold 80 muffins. Complete the table. Well, we have types of muffins here, and we also have the percent of the maximum number of these types of muffins in the display case. We are looking for the number of muffins in the case. So when we add up all these percentages, we have 100%. And we know from the problem that there's a total of 80 muffins. With this information, we can go ahead and start solving this problem, and we're going to use our percent bar, where we have 0% on the left, 100% on the right, and what we're looking for cinnamon, we're going to look at cinnamon right now, is 50%. Well, on the left we know it would be 0 muffins, but all the way on the right is a total of 80 muffins, and so that's the whole amount. What we're looking for is the number of muffins, that's at 50%. So looking at part over whole, the part we're looking for is n over 80, and that's going to be equal to 50 over 100. So now we can go ahead and use our cross products of 100 times n is equal to 50 times 80. And so that's 100n equals 4,000. Divide each side by 100, and then n will be equal to 40. So the number of cinnamon muffins we have is 40. To determine the number of poppy seed muffins, again, we'll go ahead and use our percent bar and set that up with 0% on the left, 100% on the right. We're looking for 30% because that's how the percent that's in the display case, and there's a total of 80 muffins, as we've seen in the problem. What we're looking for is that part out of 80, that's 30%. So that's how we can set up our ratios. We have the part of n over 80, which is whole, is equal to the part of 30 over 100. So now that we're set up with our problem, we can go ahead and do our cross multiplication of 30 times 80 is equal to 100 times n. 30 times 80 is 2,400. This is 100n. Divide each side by 100. 24 is equal to n. So the number of poppy seed muffins we have is 24. And for our last muffin type, we're looking at for pumpkin, and pumpkin is at 20%. So again, we'll go ahead and draw out our percent bar with 0% and 100%. 80 muffins is our 100%. And what we're looking for in this time is the 20%. We want to know what 20% of 80 is. And so that's our part. And so we have a part, which is n over 80, which is our whole, is equal to 20 over 100. And so again, we can go ahead and use our cross products of 100 times n is going to be equal to 20 times 80. 100 times n is 100n. 20 times 80 is 1,600. Divide each side by 100, and n is equal to 16. This is Yo-Yo Juice Sticks showing you one way to solve this problem. You very well may have another way. As long as you understand it, it's a correct answer, and you can communicate it effectively so that your friends understand it, then you know you have a great way to solve a problem.